Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I know, I'm so sorry. I have not really been uploading any vlogs lately because life happens and more importantly, I have not really been well. But today we are here at the Rieter Park here in Zurich. It's a beautiful day and it's about 25 degrees Celsius. Well, right now it feels like it's 18-20 degrees Celsius, but later during the day it's gonna rise up to about 25 degrees Celsius. Perfect temperature to be outdoors, perfect for going out, perfect for a walk in the park. So come, let's go have a look at the Rieter Park. Oh, it is overlooking the Lake of Zurich. It's a cute small park. You can go for a stroll and see the lake as well and the mountains. It's a great place to relax. It's a lovely place. You guys see the lake and the mountains behind it? It's still snow-capped. Beautiful, isn't it? Hey, is that a birch tree? This one?
Ja, meinte ich, ja.
Yay,
Schon
the
eine fette,
birch tree.
wirklich ein dicker.
Very nice. Are those apple trees?
Ja, etwas von der Beeren, die blühen jetzt.
Wow, so pretty. Yeah, there are benches.
Jetzt zum Chillaxen und dann zum Sand abholen, den wir jetzt abgeholt haben.
The park is
Über was?
perfect for come here with a book. You can relax. You can come here on a date. Or you can come here as a family. The options are endless. Coated. It's a free drinking water at the park, so you can bring your water bottle and you just refill. Perfect, right? There are quite a lot of people here since the park is quite a big area. People are spread all over the place, so you never have the feeling that the park is too crowded. That's my impression.
Jetzt sind wir. Oder da hinten.
Was ist denn das dort?
Da, also ich sehe nach einem Speicherhütchen aus.
Was? Was für ein Hütli?
Keine Ahnung. Oh, das ist am Tennis spielen.
Oh wow, yeah, there's a place to play
sorry.
tennis as well.
Weiß nicht.
Another bench.
Das sieht, da ist jetzt eben auch was blüht.
Spring is officially here. Oh, you hear the birds as well. You guys hear that? Oh, look at that beautiful tree. Statue is here as well. Who that is? No idea. Oh, there is no markings. The yellow flowers here are so nice. It adds the beauty towards the whole park.
Nice, ich viel Zeit.
Crazy warm.
Even though it's quite warm, there are so many areas within the park that you can just sit down in a shady place, and with the wind ongoing, it's perfect. Oh, there's a house nearby. It's good for the residents here. They're so close to this park. They could just come over any day, any time of day. The park is for free. There is no entrance fee, and you can freely just roam around wherever you want, wherever you please. I believe there's also a restaurant nearby and even a museum close by. I think it's this building here.
Museum Rieter.
Mm-hmm.
Kann sein. Kann dir jetzt aber nicht gerade sagen.
It really was this building. It's the museum, but we're not going in there. We're just passing by. So far the pathway seems to be comfortable, so you can easily come with comfortable shoes, of course. You can also take a baby stroller along, or I think even if you have some stretchers or whatever they're called, you know, for people that have difficulty with walking, or if you are on a wheelchair, it is possible. There's another building there, was it? Park Villa. It's a villa. Oh, that's the villa. Looks cute with red bricks. Moving to the other park, there's a second park which is very close by to the Rieterpark. It's called the Belvoir Park. And there, apparently, the restaurant seems to be nicer comparing to the one at the Rieterpark. So, let's see if that's true. Getting closer to the main streets, I can hear cars. I see cars. Villas around Rieterpark. It's really cool. You can come here for relaxation purposes. Where is the Belvoir Park?
Straight ahead, go look.
Ah, so we're leaving
Yes, sir.
the Rieterpark.
No, of course not.
We're gonna cross the street and then
Komm jetzt.
we're right here to the Belvoir Park, the
Aber
next
keine Ahnung, ob wir
park.
Platz haben, gell?
This is probably the restaurant, huh?
Ja, das ist auch ein Hotel, es gehört noch zu der Hotelfachschule. Wow.
Belvoir Park restaurant.
Nur für Gäste.
So here at the Belvoir Park, you can do some reservations and have some Sunday brunches from 10:30 to 3 in the afternoon. Nice. Have some bread and was ist das?
Musst du probieren, dann kann das sagen.
Probably butter.
Zeig mal.
Du hast schon noch weiss.
Das war nicht so.
Willst du vom Fleisch probieren? Kannst du noch nicht so.
Yummy.
Zürich geschnetzelt ist gut. Aber ich finde es gut.
This is so yummy.
Was sind das da? Eile oder mal Fischeile? Ja? Sind das Fischeile da?
Ja.
Willst du auch Fischeile? Passion, was war es? Gemischt?
Passion fruit.
Orange Passionsfrucht und Schoki.
Super, merci.
Ich finde nie Spezialglas.
Das sieht heiß aus.
It's a little sour. It's orangey, passion fruity. Really cool.
Oh, schau mal innen, jetzt noch ein Stückchen. Schau. Innen.
Hey, that's mine. It's so refreshing.
Das ist noch gut, ja?
So good.
Ich habe nicht gewusst, was ich vor Orangen soll halten. Was machst du? Ist gut, komm.
Jeder.
Ist gut.
Dessert, dessert.
Komm da hin, sicher nicht so. Komm.
Nice.
Go show me on the toilet. Warte kurz, sorry. Zum Gehen. Also lächeln. Nein, warte kurz.
It's quite a big restaurant indoors. It's time to leave the restaurant and we are now heading towards Belvoir Park. This is it, guys. We've just entered Belvoir Park. Rechts, to the right. Are we going this way?
Ja, die Stege oder der Weg da. Ja, ich finde
Steiger.
Stege, ja, okay, dann voll dann.
Oh, this looks like nice, very cool.
Und da rechts, aber da sind wir dann am Schatten.
Und
Kann
jetzt
ich dir den Böllen wieder geben, da, Mister?
Irish Garden. Wow, some guys are having some sand bathing here. What are these?
Licorice Stick Pacific
Pacific
Ja, schwierig,
Panorama.
Champagnerblühe.
Tyrolean blue. Okay. I wonder what those are.
Honky Tonk Blues.
Quite a lot of them.
Honky Tonk Blues.
Papa, komm.
Honky Tonk Blues. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the color of the trees. They're so pretty.
Maui Surf.
It's so nice here, guys. You can just enjoy a lovely stroll along the park. You can play games, relax. You can bring your own mat as well. The sky's the limit. Benches are everywhere. Really nice. Huh? So I guess this is it. Are you guys enjoying so far? I hope you do. If you get a chance to be in Zurich, come and visit Belvoir Park and Rieterpark or Rieterpark, I'm not sure. Parks, they are wonderful. Come especially when the weather is lovely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content. That's it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you had fun. I did. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and look forward to more further contents just like this one. Okay? Take care and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.